Hi guys, welcome back to Topper Chef channel. Today I'm going to make my version of cilantro chimichurri sauce. Okay, so for this we're going to need first of all our green chutney. Our green chutney has ginger, garlic, and of course a lot of cilantro in it. So that, and then some parsley, some salt, some garlic, and oregano. Now chimichurri sauce is only made with parsley and the rest of the ingredients. There doesn't have cilantro in it, so I'm adding the cilantro because it really gives a good taste and it will go well with any steak or any of the pork chops that we're going to eat today. Okay, so don't take any water. About 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of this. Then you got all this parsley. You got to mix that parsley up, and then some salt, some my garlic. You can put fresh garlic if you want, and some oregano. Now you got to whip this up with nice olive oil. So and drench it with some olive oil. There you go, and just mix it together. This has to sit for at least half an hour, okay? So all the seasonings and everything goes inside this thing. And always, if you need some more oil, more salt, definitely. If you want to add make it a little bit more oily, you can do it. I think we can add some more oil in this, and it would be a good accompaniment for any steak, a fillet steak or anything like that. So here's a cilantro chimichurri sauce. Welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Right now we're gonna do the taste test for the pork chop with the chimichurri cilantro sauce. Let me taste it. The pork chop is really cooked well, and oh my God, it's amazing. The cilantro, the flavors come into the meat. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, where all the recipes are stored, and of course, subscribe to the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!